Do you want to create a YouTube channel? Do you want to be a YouTuber? Do you want to experiment and join in the world of YouTube? And you don't know what it takes for you to have a YouTube channel? Well, if your answer is yes to these questions, then this is the right video that you are supposed to watch. My name is Tashinga, and in this video, I'm going to be documenting the step-by-step process that I've took for me to create my first YouTube channel. So here are the steps that I took. First, I created my Gmail account, which is already ready. And if you want to watch the video, there's a link in the description or on the top of your screen. So at this point, I already have my Gmail account ready. So the next process is to get started on creating the YouTube channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's head straight to the video. So as you can see on my screen, here is my account that I've created. This one is the Gmail account, right? So the first thing that you're gonna have to do is to head straight to YouTube. So you type youtube.com, and once you are on YouTube, you're gonna go over to the right corner of the screen. Right here I'm using a Windows PC with a Chrome browser installed on it, and you're gonna hover over to the right end of the screen. You can see there's an icon right here. So the account, the email account that I've used at this point is, the name is Kayla Chama. That's why you are seeing there's a K on the right end of the screen. So you're gonna have to click on that icon, right? So once you click on that icon, you see that there's a name, there's an email address, and there's this part that says create channel, right? So you're gonna just have to click on that, right? So it's gonna ask you how you will appear, right? So here is the name. This one is the picture. You can choose to select the picture, then the name and the handle, right? So if you are comfortable with these names, you can just hit create channel, right? So I'm just gonna click create channel, right? Okay. All right, as you can see, it says the channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. It usually doesn't take much time. I'm sure by now it's already ready, and will be good to go, right? So I'm gonna hit home just to refresh, then I'm gonna select again, and now it seems like my account is already created. I'm just gonna click view your channel right here. All right, so as you can see, the channel is now created, and if you are seeing this page, congratulations, you have created your first YouTube channel.